Kia ora whānau, I'm Dr. Kitty. As a doctor, some people think that it's my job to look after families when they're sick. And sure, I do. But what I really want to do is to prevent our whānau getting sick in the first place. And I've got some good news on that front. You can help protect your whānau from getting some serious diseases simply by getting free immunisations. Immunisations help protect us from diseases that used to harm thousands of Kiwis and left many with permanent damage. Not so long ago, kids could get very sick and some died of diseases we can prevent today. Thanks to immunisation, these preventable diseases are less common now, but they still exist. When they occur, they not only endanger the life of your child, but they also have an enormous effect on your family.
Elijah Williams woke up with a sunken face. Within 36 hours, the 7-year-old Auckland boy was crippled by body spasms, unable to swallow and racked with pain. It all just happened from a cut on his foot. Tetanus bacteria live in the soil and can infect even minor wounds, producing a powerful poison.
It was hideous. He was spasming every 3 minutes, he was biting his tongue and bleeding, his arms were spasming and he was arching his back, and his whole face and jaw were completely locked. Parents like us make the decision to not vaccinate on very little factual information about the actual consequences of the diseases. I fell for the myths and conspiracy theories that people get from the internet. 10% of people who get tetanus die, and by me choosing not to immunise, I put my son at risk.
Elijah spent 6 weeks in intensive care. He was in hospital for 4 months. Recovery took a year. His mother and father had to take a lot of time off work. Their family routine was upended. Elijah missed school. His brother and sister stopped playing sport.
Vaccine-preventable diseases still occur in New Zealand, with many just a plane ride away. These diseases are serious and can sometimes be deadly. When there are pockets of people who aren't immune, diseases can move through the population quickly. New Zealand's whooping cough outbreak caused more than 10,000 cases in adults and children. Over 600 babies needed hospital treatment, and 3 unimmunised children died. Babies under 1 are most vulnerable to whooping cough. Between 2013 and 2014, a measles outbreak that started in the Philippines spread to many other countries, including New Zealand. Over 3,000 New Zealanders were quarantined and 48 people needed hospital treatment. This shows how quickly a disease can come back if not enough people are protected. Those are just 2 of the serious diseases that New Zealand's free national immunisation program protects against.
I was a bit worried about the immunisations, but we gave her lots of cuddles and they were really friendly and answered all our questions. I thought it was going to be a big deal, but it was over really quickly. We're really pleased she's protected.
Immunisation helps stop the spread of disease, and it protects our whole community.
Protect your whānau. Immunise on time.